Hello students, how are you? We are meeting after a long time. I was thinking to have a dialogue with you all on Zoom, but thinking of technical issues, I thought I can talk to you through my channel. I hope this try will motivate you by creating positive vibes in this lockdown period. Don't forget to give your comments. As this is not an interactive session, I cannot ask you the questions like what are you doing for the whole day, what problems are you facing, but I can suggest you to utilize this time as an opportunity to think about yourself, career planning, and how to deal with this situation. You can enhance your skills looking into the employability. You can enhance your placement skills such as English communication skill, general knowledge by attending online sessions by the renowned persons. After going through a long and tough phase of this worldwide epidemic COVID-19, things will be different. As you know, accepting a change is the basic rule of life. Along with this change, prepare yourself for facing new challenges. Having said this, I remember a story which I would like to share. Once, Professor Srinivasan told one of his students to draw a sketch of a rocket and make an execution plan. After a month, he asked his student and got very angry as there was no progress. The student asked one more month for the same task. But professor said, I can give you only 3 days. Otherwise, your scholarship will be withheld. The student left no stone unturned and came up with a very good sketch and its execution plan in 3 days in front of the professor. Professor happily said, you have completed the task of 3 months in just 3 days with tears in his eyes. This diligent student one day became the President of India, none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So nothing is impossible. The formula is to become a successful person lies in efforts, determination, and perseverance. Now, coming to the today's situation, we know how to take care of ourselves physically by maintaining a social distance, wearing a mask, but do not allow to make any impact of this situation on your mind. Keep yourself busy by joining online courses to improve your skills and knowledge. There are good free online courses available on Swayam, Coursera, Udemy and many more. You will get knowledge as well as certificate to enrich your resume. Keep your mind strong by meditating and reading philosophical books. As a social responsibility, youngsters like you should spread awareness about COVID-19. At the end, I would like to say, उद्यमेन हि सिद्धन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथ means to achieve something only thinking will not help but it's necessary to take action. Goodbye, stay safe and stay home.